What is up guys? Welcome back. For today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano nga mabuksan ang inyong GCash account kapag hindi nyo ma-unregister ang inyong old phone dahil ito ay nasira na, nawala, or nabenta na. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, kung bago pa lang sa aking channel, nilink ko po ang inyong mga may para i-subscribe ang channel na ito and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa akong mga panibagong videos na i-upload. And without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, ito yung error na na-encounter natin kapag tayo ay nag-register ng new device habang hindi pa natin na-unregister yung old device. Sinasabi dito na your account is already registered to another phone. So, kailangan mo nang ma-unregister yung phone na yun para ma-register ang phone na ito. So, ngayon, paano nga ba ma-unregister yung old phone kung nawala na, or nasira, or nabenta na? Meron tayong two ways or dalawang paraan para ma-solve ang ganitong klaseng problem. The first way is get help or tap get help to chat with an agent. So dito, mag-chat kayo ng agent kung saan siya yung mag-a-assist sa inyo para matulungan kayo sa error na yon. And sundin nyo lang yung mga instructions niya para ma-solve yung case nyo. Ngayon, kung hindi mag-work yung ganong way, proceed tayo sa second way, which is chat with Gigi and type phone registration. And dito, kailangan nyong mag-prepare ng valid ID nyo, which is yung ginamit nyo sa GCash para ma-fully verified ito, and yung selfie with a valid ID para ma-verified ng GCash na kayo talaga yung may-ari ng GCash account na yon. So ngayon, click lang natin yung chat with Gigi. Then, type lang natin as message yung phone registration. Yan. After nan, click lang natin tong I'm getting the prompt. You already have a registered phone. Yan. I see you need help accessing your account due to your account is already registered to another phone. Yan. Then click lang natin tong show form. Then dito, lalagay lang natin yung registered name natin sa GCash, yung number, tsaka yung email or Gmail na ginamit natin. After nating ma-fill upan yung form na yun, send lang natin. Click lang natin yung send, then sinasabi dito, thank you, this window will close in a moment. Then return tayo sa chat. Then dito, nakalagay, thanks Raymart, do you know the model and brand of your phone? Then yes. Then dito, ilalagay nyo lang yung model ng old phone nyo kung saan naka-registered yung GCash account nyo. Then dito, nag-reply si Gigi, got it Raymart, what best describe your concern? So, click lang natin tong I want to register this phone. Ngayon, sabi niya, were you able to unregister your previous phone? Since wala naman tayong access para ma-unregister yung old phone natin dahil sira na ito or nabenta na or nawala. So, click lang natin tong no, I can't log in my registered phone. Then dito, please have the following ready. Need nyo lang ng valid ID which is yung ginamit nyo para ma-fully verified yung GCash nyo and yung selfie with your valid ID. So ngayon, tatanungin tayo, do you have them ready? Then click lang natin tong yes. Then sabi dito, thank you for providing all the necessary details. Please wait a moment while I connect you to an agent who will assess you further. Our goal is to get back to you in an hour. So sabi dito, in the meantime, please upload the following. So need natin i-upload yung valid ID natin and yung selfie with our valid ID. So click lang natin tong ito. Yan. Click lang natin yan, then media picker. Then, kailangan lang natin ma-upload yung valid ID natin tsaka yung selfie with the valid ID. So, after natin ma-upload yung valid ID pati yung selfie with the valid ID, check lang natin yung Gmail natin. So, yun guys, after a few minutes, nag-reply na si GCash or yung agent na nag-a-assist sa atin, which is si Roger M. Hi Raymart, thank you for reaching out to GCash support. I see that you cannot log in your GCash account. For further validation, kindly provide us the screenshot of the error that you encountered. So ngayon need lang natin mag-provide ng screenshot nung error natin, which is yung your account is already registered to another phone. Yun yung i-send natin dito. So, para masend natin yun, click lang natin tong reply button. Ayan, ito. Ayan. Then, send lang natin yung error prompt. Ngayon, after nating masend yung error prompt, wait lang natin na mag-response ulit si GCash. So yun guys, after nyong masend yung screenshot ng error, magre-response si GCash or yung agent na nag-a-assist sa inyo na kung saan i-confirm niya kung may nakalink nga bang another phone doon sa GCash account mo. Kung mayroon man, tutulungan ka ng agent na yon para ma-unlink mo yung old device and ma-register mo yung new device. So hanggang dun na lang ang tutorial na ito. Sana nakatulong and have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.